Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, it's Sia Knight. I am the mobile notary mentor, and I coach new notaries on how to build their business with more competence and more confidence. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about reality and possibilities because in the notary world and sometimes specifically in the loan signing world, sometimes people get carried away trying to sell how much money you can make doing loan signings. So, you can make $1 million in 10 minutes if you do this loan signing. So, and I'm teasing a little bit, but I will say that it has become kind of a catchphrase. You're going to make six figures a year doing loan signings. Now, I'm here to tell you that it is absolutely possible to do so. It is. It is, but it's maybe not as easy as some people might lead you to believe. So I work primarily with general notary work and also remote online notarizations. So what I'm going to do in this video is we're going to do the math. Let's do the math. I had someone ask me, is it possible to make $1,000 a month doing notarizations on the Notarize platform? And I said, let's do a little math. So we will do that today in this video. Before we get started with that, though, I want to first tell you about the new notary workshop that is coming up on Saturday as I'm recording this, June 26th. It's the next session. I would love to see you. We go on over the fundamentals of conducting a good signing. And we also talk about the business aspect. So you've got your commission, you know how to do a couple of signings. So now what? How do you get your name out there? How do you build your business? That's what we talk about in the new notary workshop. Also enrolling is the new notary mastermind. What we talk about there, it's kind of like a 2.0. So we talk about kind of it's let me back up. It's really on the spot business coaching. We are a tight knit group. We encourage each other. We celebrate each other. We motivate each other. I coach on also additional forms and different ways to conduct proper notarizations. And we just have a blast. We meet every other week. So if you're interested in that, hit the link below. So now let's get to Notarize and what's possible. So I'm going to share my screen because there's a lot of me on this video. Yay, here we are. So I've got a great big old calculator because many of us are doing this, because we want to help people and that's all well and good, but also we want to make some doggone money. Okay, right? Right. So I had someone ask me, is it possible to make $1,000 a month doing notarizations on Notarize? So I answered her, yes, it is. It's quite possible to do that. So what I want to do is I just wanted to take some time to do the math. So let's look at the giant calculator here. One. So let's say $1,000 per month, okay? And let's divide that by 4 weeks. Okay? $250 a week. Now, let's say you're working 5 days. You're not working all 7 days. We're not going to do that to you. So you're going to divide that by 5 days. $50 a day. Okay. How many notarizations is that? Now, I'm going to base this on a beginner. So someone who's at the very beginning level or stages. So for $50, you'd have to do 10. No, so we're going to divide it by the $5 notarizations. And you have to do 10 of those per week. 10 of those per day. I'm sorry. 10 per day. 10 per day. That is so doable, especially if you figure out what time of day is best, especially if you figure out kind of how to get your rhythm, to get your mojo. You could definitely do 10 $5 notarizations per day. Now, once you start to move up the chain, if you make it to the gold level, I make $25 for real estate transactions. Okay. And to do that, let's clear this. Okay. So $25. Okay. And it takes a little bit longer to do a real estate transaction. So let's say we do 2 of those per hour. Okay. Times 2, that's about $50 per hour. Okay. And then you can pretty much make what you want to make on this platform if you can average something like 50. Let's say you're only averaging $25 an hour. That's still a good side income. So the point of this video is to show you, yes, yes, it is quite possible to make $1,000 per month on Notarize at the $5 level. So if you have any questions about Notarize, we talk about that quite a bit during the mastermind. I have a lot of students who are interested in getting on, and they have gotten on Notarize, and we kind of share tips and tricks, etc. So if you're interested about that, you can hit me up in the comments. But that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was something that can help people have a realistic view of what's possible. Because I'm not the type of coach who's going to tell you, you can make $1,000,000 per minute. All you have to do is no, it's not what we're doing here. But I do want to encourage you and to let you know that there is money out there to be made. So, all right, folks, that's it for this time. And as the people say, happy signing. Bye.